So if you're looking for a way to start using PagePilot here on Shopify, well, there is an easy way for you to start doing so. So first thing that you want to do is you want to go and just go to shopify.com and just log in into your account. Now at the left side, you want to go to settings and you want to go and just choose apps and sales channels, and you want to go and click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now in here, you want to go and just search for PagePilot. So at the very top, just type in PagePilot, press enter. That's going to redirect you to the PagePilot AI page builder here. Let's go and select that one. Now let's go and click on install. Now it will require you to confirm a few things that you want to install this. So go and just confirm, click on install, and just wait for a while. Now this will initialize the process or the installation process. Now once it's actually installed, you should now be able to start setting up your PagePilot account or the app itself. Now, you can go and just click on the next step here and follow the on-screen steps. Like for example, choosing your page template here. Let's go and just choose the very first one. Let's go and click on next step. Now from here, it's going to ask you to create your first product page. Now you can add the product URL here, like from AliExpress or Amazon. And once you've pasted the link, now like what I did right now, you go and just click on the next button here. And that should basically initialize the process. Now the great thing about this one is this will automatically pull the product information. So whatever you have, it will pull the information like media, product angles here, the language for it, and a lot more like the variants. So yeah, you can also adjust like certain details about it. You can go and do that. But since we are good with this one, what you need to do is you want to go and just click on create product page at the top right. And that would basically create the product page for you. Now, obviously, you could go and just do other things more in here. Like if you want to create another product page, even watch tutorials if you want, and also answer a few things here. So yeah, so if you want to get more out of the app itself, you could go and just upgrade your plan by clicking on the upgrade plan here, and basically, you're pretty much good to go. And that's about it. So hopefully, this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.